Everywhere you open the social media these days, everyone is talking about the changes in the migration policy. So many changes that the government has announced, but the key question that everyone keeps on asking, when are those rules being implemented? So we have here made a timetable as to when those rules will be implemented. All right, so early 2024, which means Jan, Feb, March, they're going to change the English language requirements for subclass 500, which is the student visa, and subclass 485, which is your TR visa. So English will go from 5.5 to 6 for student visas and from 6 to 6.5 for 485 visas. Also, genuine student test, they are replacing the GT criteria to GST criteria, genuine student test, that is also being implemented in early 2024. So in the GST criteria, what they're going to say is that if you keep on renewing your visa and you are going from masters to smaller visas like diploma visas, you will have higher chances of refusal. So I would suggest that if you are falling in that category, you lodge your student visa before they change the criteria in early 2024. In mid-2024, they're going to bring in new rules that will restrict onshore visa hopping. That if you are here coming on student visa, then you're jumping to TR, from TR to again student visa, they're going to place some sort of restrictions on that. Probably from tourist visa to student visa as well, they're going to put some restrictions. So that is happening mid-2024, which is April, May, June, something like that. Mid to late 2024, new 485 visa rules will be implemented. So the age restrictions, the streamlines that they are changing, right? All those rules are going to be implemented mid to late 2024. So if you are in a condition that your age is above 35, you should talk to your provider that they can help you to finish the course before the new rules are implemented. They are not being implemented immediately. You still have time. If you can finish your course in time, you can probably lodge a new 485 visa before they change the rules. And all these are approximate, right? Mid to late is a very broad range. So you should try to finish your course before March, I would suggest. Hopefully by then the rules would not have changed and you would be able to lodge a new visa. These are all approximate times. Then in late 2024, they are replacing the 482 visa, the employer sponsored visa, with new skills in demand visa. That is being implemented by the end of this year, end of next year, sorry. And about the new point test, they did not give a clear indication when they are implementing that. They said at the start of next year, they are asking for a consultation paper about the changes in the point test. But when are those changes being implemented? Probably by the end of next year or 2025. So we will know when we have the more information, but broadly, approximately, this is the timetable. So students or TR holders who are going to be impacted by that, please make sure that before the rules change, you implement your next visa so that you are not disadvantaged. I hope this was helpful for you. If you want more information, you can give us a call 03 8648 6448. Thank you and goodbye.